What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sidechain your 808 to your kick, and we're going to be using Soothe 2 to do this. So I have a Pro Tool session pulled up here, and I was just putting together a drum pattern and an 808. Now, I don't want my kick getting lost behind the 808, so I'm going to do a sidechain. And you probably heard the term before. If you don't know what it is yet, you're about to learn. So what is going on with the sidechain is you're making the 808 turn down in volume every time the kick hits, so your kick isn't getting lost behind the 808. It's really that simply put. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I have two 808 tracks here. I have one at the top, one at the bottom. They're just two different keys, and it's just kind of like a counter one and then the main one. And then up here, I have a kick track right here. And this is the kick. Boom, 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 boom. What I want to do is I want to make this 808 turn down every time this kick hits. So I'm going to show you what this sounds like without any of that happening right now. So basically around this 808 right here, I'm hearing these two kicks being like washed out in the back. So we want to make all those kicks like jump through the 808. Okay, so over here at the 808 tracks, we're going to add an insert. I like to put it at the end so it's out of the way of the other plugins. And we're going to use Soothe 2. And this is the default setting inside of Soothe 2. I made a setting for this inside of the presets. So if you guys want this preset, you can go to my website and grab it. I'll leave a link in the description below. Or you could just copy it. If you're able to do that, you could do that as well. Inside of either you can go up here or you can go in here. But I'm going to go to this right here, this bass sidechain. And I'm going to select it. Now, what this is doing is it's telling the plugin to ignore all of this high-end stuff right here. It's not doing anything over here. And it's only pulling down a very wide band right here inside of the low end frequency spectrum. So you'll notice inside the plugin a couple settings changed. The quality changed to 4 times oversampling. The sidechain button is on. Mix is at 100%. And the rest of the plugin settings you can see. So now we have to tell this plugin to look for the kick. So we can't have it ducking anything until it knows when to duck. We have this set here. Now we're going to go up to this little key information here, and you're going to select this, and you're going to go down and you're going to pick a bus. Okay, any bus is fine. I'll pick bus 14, and then you're going to go to your kick track here, and in the sends, you're going to pick bus 14. Okay, select it in mono, and then hold option and click, and it'll go up to 0, and that's the set. It's sending the full kick signal to the 808. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this plugin down to this other 808 so it's affecting both. Now, when you look inside of the plugin, you will see a dip happen whenever the kick starts. So let's go ahead and play that. And it's just really letting that kick punch through everything, the 808 and everything else. And the way it's doing that is whenever the kick hits, it carves space out of the 808 here. And that key, that bus, is telling it when it should happen. Okay, so first let's listen to this with it bypassed, and then we'll turn it on. Okay, and now let's turn it on. I love it. It's just letting the kick come through and hit really, really hard and consistently. So that is how you sidechain a 808 to a kick. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to get this preset, I have this on my website at mixedbyeddieofficial.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. Or you could copy it just like this, how it is right here. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.